Hey guys, just got a delivery from Adventure Life USA, a set of their newest product, and I can't wait to get it installed. Check this out. It's their new sun visor warning label covers. The first is the standard black topo with red outline. But I also got these. They feature the actual Rubicon Trail. Okay, so let's get them installed. It's super simple. Just peel and stick. Then remove any bubbles. And just like that, we've got a whole new look. On to the passenger side. Just peel, stick, and smooth it out. And that one's all set too. What a huge improvement in just a couple of minutes. Grab yours at the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.